Hi YouTube, Catfish Kirby here. I'm gonna show y'all guys how to, what's some good things to use when you're fishing. I have a cold still, so I guess I just got to do with the coughing. But I want to show you what you can use to go fishing, what's good stuff, what's good things to have, just in case, like worst case scenarios. So, of course, one of the best things to have when you are fishing with catfish or really any other type of fish, one of the things you want to have is this kind of knife. It has pliers, just in case you can't get the hook out the fish's mouth. A knife. Where's that knife at? A knife. And not a very big knife, but it's a perfect thing to, if you gotta clean a fish, or worst case scenario is if a fish swallows your hook, cut their head off. But that's that. I don't cut their heads off. It's got a ruler on it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the inches, but it's got the inches and stuff. Yeah, you can see them perfect. It's got inches. It's got centimeters. You can't tell. And then it's got a saw, which I've always found the saw very fun to use. Perfect saw, cuts like it ain't nothing. Here's a lure that I hate, and I'm just gonna cut it with the saw. See how fast that was? Boom, that fast. Once again, the saw. Now, I'll show you something else. Another knife, really good. So, get your double lock knives, perfect. Hold on. This. It looks like a regular crescent wrench, don't it? Well, it's got a crescent wrench. But what it also has is scissors. I guess I'll just open up everything for you guys today. Scissors. Scissors, a knife, and this one I don't feel like opening it, but this is a screwdriver and I think a bottle opener. But scissors to cut your fishing line. Knife, of course, if you have to do some dirty work. But that's what a knife could be used for. That's a knife. I'm going to show you something else really good to have. And of course, like I said, usually the fish that you're going to catch when you're fishing in the lake right here is going to be a catfish. So what you want to do is, I can get a chair, it's going to be comfortable standing. So let me see how this works. So stand on the floor, just like that. Just like this. Something this way. Hold on. There's a dilemma here. Trying to get the phone to stand up. Perfect. Hold on. Get my chair. I love the chair. Alright. Alright. Now here's another good thing. Tab. I don't know if you can see my face too good. Weights. When you go and fish in Lake Ray Hubbard, you got to have weights. So here's slip weight. It's a perfect slip weight. And that's all you really need. But it's also good to have other ones, you know. So, slip weight. Of course, always, even if you're not fishing Lake Ray Hubbard, swivels. Swivels. Sorry, I'm retarded. And just your regular, ordinary tie weights and stuff. And, of course, see, since about last week, I've been trying alligator garfish. And that's my plan to catch is an alligator gar. Almost caught one the other day, so then it made me, you know, get into the mood of alligator gar. If you're going to fish for alligator gar, any lake or wherever you fish at. I fish at Lake Ray Hubbard, like I said, I live in the apartments right off of it. But even if humongous catfish, when you're going for giant blues or whatever, you always want, let's unwind it right quick. It's not going to be long, guys. Alright. Wire string. You always want wire string. And 2 perfect hooks. I'll stand up. Oh, man. Well, there went all my weights on the floor, but it's all good. Just leave the rig up. You got 2 hooks. A tie-up swivel. That should do you for alligator gar. Excuse me. But you always have to tune in later. See you guys later.